Clark right now. We buy some food. So let's go because don't have space in Kokomas right now because so many people.
Yes, so many people now in Kokomas. And traffic right now.
This is the perimeter area of Angeles City. guys, it's already night. So we go to Clark right now, eat and sit. Already Clark Park. They call it CDC. Most of people here, they go to jogging here, they walk, or they use bike here. And every Friday and Sunday, so many people, family here to have bonding and eat in picnic ground. If you have planned, guys, to have some family bonding or some walk, it's better here because it's have good fresh air and good place here. And also every Friday to Sunday they open the place here for it. Seem like food court here. They're open here.
Food street, name is Food Street.
Food street. It's commercial central. Also have playground here.
For children.
Yes, it's for children. But also have so many seats here, like you can eat here also. So many also foreigner here. Not only Filipino come here to Clark. Also most of foreigner here to they go here for walk, jogging. Yes. They rent house here also because near part here have house for rent here. Later we gonna show to you the house here. Big house. Right now. Okay. So we park. Hello. Okay. Good place. Hi guys, good evening. We're already in park right now in Clark. So we bought some chicken fillet and beef shawarma in Fields before. And also
It's walking street, not field.
yes, it's in Walking Street. They call here in Philippines Fields.
All fields, all area it's fields,
Yes,
yes?
Fields.
Ah.
It's Walking Street. Walking Street same. It's Fields. And also we buy some drinks in 7-Eleven. So let's
yeah.
go. We're gonna eat.
But how much? How much you
It's-
pay with? Interesting, maybe people interesting.
This one is 80 pesos and also this
That's
one is 80 pesos.
chicken fillet, yes?
Chicken fillet and beef shawarma.
Beef shawarma.
Both
yes.
are shawarma rice.
Ah,
So
okay.
we're gonna eat right now.